welcome back to our channel.
What up, Nomadic fam?
Now on this episode we're going to South Africa,
Johannesburg.
Yep, and it's our very first time. We're very excited and we're taking you with us, so stay tuned.
Got a lot for you guys to see. So it was a 16-hour flight over there, but luckily we had great accommodations. I don't know what to say. Service was impeccable. It almost didn't even feel like 16 hours, to be honest. So landing in Johannesburg was cool. Customs was a breeze. First thing we wanted to do was hit a park, so we get to Delta Park. Now, despite what we're wearing, it's like low 70s. So now we decided to head downtown, grab some food before heading up to our accommodation in Sandton. Hospitality was amazing. Our hosts did an impeccable job of making sure we had everything we needed.
And here's a little room tour for you guys so you can see for yourself.
So now we decided to head over to the Apartheid Museum to see what life under the apartheid system was truly like. Sad what some of these people had to go through.
And this was all history for me too, because I wasn't aware, you know, so I learned something new. For me, I was just taking in everything, you know. Like I said, it was new for me, so I was reading stuff, I was looking around.
Very informative. So after that, decided we need to take in a little entertainment, you know?
Life.
Brighter side of life. The energy here was crazy. Boys was turning up.
Yeah, I figured I was back home. It was nice. It was a nice night. Definitely enjoy myself. I swear, I feel like we're there in Jamaica. These people really like Jamaica.
I'm when the energy, man. The vibes turn up. After a 7-hour drive, we spent the night in Mpumalanga on our way up to Kruger National Park.
Yep, this is the exciting part. So, fun facts about Kruger: it is the largest game reserve in Africa, and it is home to the Big Five. Do you know what the Big Five is, babe?
No, what are they?
Well, the Big Five is elephant, rhino, leopard, lion, and buffalo. So that's the Big Five.
This park is huge, by the way, folks. It's what? Africa's
largest game reserve. Home to a lot of different animals.
swear to you, nothing like what they told you. Everything is capped. It's lies. Propaganda.
And it must have filled your heart with poison. Certain things said, certain things broken. And now you've got me out here with my heart all open. When I look in your face, I can see in your heart you feel no way to walk away. And when I look in your eyes, I can see that you cried away your pain.
So we stopped here to get some lunch. When I say this park is huge, it is not an understatement. It took us at least an hour to get over to this lodge.
Daddy says stay focused. Stay focused. You better stay focused. 'Cause you can't mix love and hate. You can't mix love and hate. It's like oil and water.
You need at least 2 days if you really want to see, you know, everything that's in the park, because it's really huge.
But you can't mix love and hate. We can't run away. Why can't we just talk this out today? Why don't you just tell me it's okay and we can just fall in love again? My heart is yours. Fall in love again. My heart is yours. Mama said be cautious. Be cautious. And Daddy said stay focused. Stay focused. Yeah. 'Cause you can't mix love and hate. Love and hate, come mix love and hate, come mix love. Oh, Daddy, I'll be okay. Please don't watch no face. 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 Daddy says stay focused. Don't watch no face. Don't watch no face. 'Cause you can't mix love and hate. You can't mix love and hate.
Boomba!
Oh, this is the part where the elephants got upset with Ty.
They were not happy to see me. Caution, stay away from them when you see their young. They are aggressive. Or can be. Soweto!
Southwestern Township.
Power to the people.
Diba. People would refer to him. This is where he lived when the entire struggle was going on before he went to jail.
stayed here as well. I don't know, everything about Africa is just amazing.
Massive cities.
Great accommodation. It's great for budget travel as well.
Yeah, our rental is about $10 a day.
Did a lot of driving. A lot. We drive everywhere.
These purple trees are really beautiful.
What are they called again?
The jacarandas.
Okay. So what's your best part of the trip?
Honestly, I loved every part of it. Just getting to go to so many different parks, taking the fresh air, to connecting with the people. This is a great experience. We'll definitely be going back to Johannesburg in South Africa.
Yeah, my favorite part is the park, Kruger National Park. I definitely enjoy that. Different animals.
Yeah, you were really excited to see some of the animals.
I was turned up.
It's awesome.
It's a humble experience. It's just nice. The people is warm and friendly. Like I said, it's like it kind of reminds me of Jamaica. You know, so I feel like I was home. I wasn't, I never felt like I was in any danger or anything. We just navigate and go through like, a regular thing like we did.
Watching no fears.
Yeah.
Why didn't I study?
My people,
Definitely amongst my brothers.
Babe always say, I'm gonna go to Africa one day, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. So when he really make it happen, I was down for it. And we were the kind of people who we just get up and go. So we did that. I'm blessed. We're blessed.
We don't regret it at all. Thanks to everyone that accommodated us, showed us love in South Africa. It was beautiful, and like I said, we will definitely be going back.
And remember to like and subscribe and comment. Let us know what you think, and see you in our next video.